Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're staring at the District of Columbia 13 error code on your Samsung washing machine from 2025 and wondering what to do, you're in the right place. This error typically signals a problem with the drainage system, like a clogged hose or pump, which can stop your machine dead in its tracks. Don't panic. Most of the time, it's an easy fix you can handle at home. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to get your washer up and running again quickly and safely. First off, always prioritize safety. Unplug your washing machine from the wall to avoid any electrical risks, and make sure it's completely cool if it was recently in use. This simple step could save you from a world of trouble. Next, let's inspect the drain hose. Located at the back of your machine, it's the flexible tube that carries water out. Check for any kinks, bends, or blockages. Straighten it out if needed, and if it's clogged, carefully remove the obstruction. A quick clean here often resolves the District of Columbia 13 error. Now, move on to the pump filter, usually found at the bottom front of the machine behind a small panel. Unscrew and remove the filter carefully. Use gloves because it might be dirty. You'll likely find lint, coins, or other debris inside. Clean it thoroughly with warm water and a soft brush, then let it dry before putting it back. Once everything is reassembled, plug your machine back in and run a short test cycle, like a rinse and spin. If the error doesn't appear, congratulations, you've fixed it. But if it persists, it could indicate a deeper issue, such as a faulty pump or sensor. In that case, it's best to call a professional technician to avoid causing more damage. Remember, regular maintenance, like checking the filter every few months, can prevent these errors from happening in the first place. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy home tips. See you next time.